In this video, I will show you how to use the code node in n8n. So let's review fastly documentation. Basically, you have two modes for this node. You have run once for all items. So if you want to execute everything at once, or you can also run once for each item. So apply the code for each element one by one. You have two types of languages accepted. You have JavaScript. You can also import external libraries. If you use n8n Cloud, it's a bit limited, but you can still do it for the most basic libraries. You have also Python that is still in beta, so you cannot use it fully, but you can also use it. So let's go back on n8n. So this workflow is the one I use for my SEO agent video, but this one is a bit simplified. And here, as you can see, I use the code node, and you will understand when the code node is the most used. This workflow was created to allow you to build articles that will be posted on the blog and based on one long tail keyword. So keyword that people search on Google, for example. So the first part here in yellow was to research long tail keyword. The second part in green was to create the structure of the article. So the intro, the title, the name of the chapters, and the conclusion. In the red part, we created the content of each chapter and we merge it together. And in the blue part, we format everything to create a single block. So this is where the code node will be really useful. It's for two use cases. The first one is like here, you have multiple elements and you want to format everything in a single block. And you can also use it to create JSON. So this is the same idea, but instead of HTML code like here, this is just JSON. So let's review fastly two steps before reviewing the code node. So the two most important steps. So here, as you can see, we created the title, the subtitle, introduction, meta title, meta description, conclusion, image prompt, and each chapter with a title and a prompt. Here, we produced just before the content for every chapter. So as you can see here, and we merge everything. And this is where we use a code node to format everything. So here I selected run once for all items because we used the merge node just before. So we merge everything and I use JavaScript as a language. So here first I created a variable that is named article that is empty as you can see here. I added first the H1 title. So this is the first title on the page for a blog post. Then after I added the introduction, as you can see here, and I went back to line. Here we have a for loop. So for each chapter, we add the title in H2, so a subtitle. We go back to the line and we add the content and go back again to the line. After it, we add the conclusion in strong, so this is bold, and we go back to line and add the conclusion. So this was just the title conclusion. And at the end, as you can see, we return the variable that is article. And like this, we have a full HTML code that we can review in the next step. So let me go here. And as you can see, I just created an HTML template with the article review here. And after this, I just had to, in the body, add a div, so a class that is a container. And I just slided the output of the code node. And as you can see on the right side, we have the title, intro, title of the first chapter, chapter 1, title chapter 2, etc., till the conclusion. So as I said, in my opinion, the code node is really useful to format things. So it could be in HTML, in JavaScript, in Python, or to create a JSON based on some variable that you had before in your workflow. So I hope this helps. Let me know in the comment if you have any question regarding the code node. Thank you for watching.